For this board and batten look, we're using 1/2 inch by 6 pine siding, which we rip in half along the length to create battens that are about 2 3/4 inches in width. We're using the same material to frame it at the top and bottom of the walls. The bottom piece is cut slightly wider at 3 1/4 inch to match the height of the existing baseboard. After cutting the adjacent baseboards back, we slide the new ones in place. Then we attach battens in each corner. We want the batten spaced on 16-inch centers, so we lay out those dimensions on the wall to be sure they will work before we begin installing the battens. Since we can't be sure we'll hit a stud every time, we're coating the back of each one with construction adhesive before we tack them in place with 2-inch finish nails. Once all the battens are in place, the edges are caulked before we apply 2 coats of paint to the wall to complete the whole process.